Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I am share to you the details of how to easily refill HP 17A toner cartridge without any tool. This channel is based on printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. But recently we also started uploading videos of refill cartridges. We share with you an easy way to refill toner cartridges and ink cartridges of different brands from home. This is the new toner cartridge of HP 17A or CF217A, and this is the empty toner cartridge of 17A. The appearance of the HP 17A toner cartridge is totally different from others. This toner container does not have an OPC drum or PCR component that's separated. This part is just an ink container with a magnetic roll. Okay, let's see how to easily refill this toner cartridge. Many pupils refill by making a hole in the toner, but in this video I will show you how to easily refill without a hole. First, remove these two screws from this side, then pull lightly to remove this clip. Prepare your workspace. Place paper towels or newspapers on a flat surface to protect your workspace in case you spill toner powder. Put on rubber gloves if you want to make sure you do not get powder on your hands. Printer manufacturers usually do not instruct or even encourage customers on how to refill a toner cartridge in hopes that you will simply buy a new replacement cartridge. However, adding toner to a laser printer on your own is an inexpensive and easy alternative to purchasing a new toner cartridge. Learn how to add toner to your cartridge to help save your money. Purchase the proper type of toner powder that is compatible with your printer and its cartridge. Toner powders are different by grain size, chemical construction and weight. That is exactly why only the compatible type of toner powder will work with your cartridge. There are several types of toner, but not separate ones for every single printer model. Most differ on features, not basic technology. In a pinch, a toner from a very similar model of printer will probably also work, but research or ask first. Remove this magnetic roll safely and clean with a tissue paper or soft cotton cloth. Please note as well, refill toner and toner powder may cause serious health problems if not handled carefully. So, we recommend always using breathing protections while refilling toner cartridge. Furthermore, toner powder and refill toner can be highly flammable with an appropriate oxygen mixture. Shake well this toner powder bottle before filling. In this tank container can fill 100 grams of powder. After 1 or 2 refills, we recommend that you empty the waste toner container because Otherwise, a perfect printing quality cannot be guaranteed. After the filling toner powder to container, this magnetic roll is replaced as before. Shake the cartridge lightly from side to side, holding horizontally to ensure even distribution of the toner powder. After replacing the magnetic roll, rotate to both sides manually. If this magnetic roll does not turn, the roll is not properly placed, so check again and place it properly. If rotate the drum smoothly, this mission is successfully completed, and reinstall the cartridge into your printer. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.